Hello, dear teacher and colleagues. Definitely, I can say that I am not assessment literate. There are a lot of things that I am just discovering about this topic, or just about to discover. For example, I remember that I was taking my promotion test and I had to answer a lot of questions about assessment and with many different new terms that I had never heard about. For example, criterion and norm referenced tests. What? I was so confused and I tried to do my best, but I knew that that was not enough. I have to explore this topic in depth. Then I was reading to do one of my assignments, and suddenly there they were, those terms, those strange terms. So I read carefully, and then the horror. I realized that I chose the wrong answer, but I didn't know that. I had no idea. I think that I have a mistaken conception about assessment, and I think that I still have a lot to learn. Then I became worried that all the assessment process I was trying to carry out with my students was wrong. Now I have questions such as, what type of assessment do I have to implement in my context? How can I design a good evaluation instrument? And is that evaluation instrument really going to help my students to learn? How can I assess learners with special needs? And how can I give some assignments the value they deserve because of their complexity or importance without receiving any negative comments from parents or students? Fortunately, there is hope, and I can create a plan in order to improve assessment in my classes. I am going to start by reading two books, or I'm going to try to read them. Assessing Learners with Special Needs by Terry Overton, and Assessment by Michael Harris and Paul McCann. That could be a good start, but I can ask my teachers for some other suggestions so that I can learn about assessment and find answers to my questions. Another good source of information about the impact of assessment on learners are the learners. Therefore, I can design a survey to know the students' views about assessment, the assessment process in the English class. Finally, I want to thank teacher Carolina for the opportunity we had to ask Dr. Eddie White some questions about this complex topic. His answers really helped. However, I should have asked many more questions. Thank you. Bye.